Hey everyone, welcome back to S Nexus TV. Today, we've got a real showdown for you. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Both are sleek, futuristic foldables with their own perks, but which one deserves a spot in your pocket? Let's check out the details. First up, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. One thing that jumps out immediately, that huge 4-inch cover screen. This thing is practically a mini tablet on the outside. Great for checking messages, watching videos, or even doing quick tasks without unfolding it. It feels like having a little magic window to your apps right there on the front. And with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 power behind it, this phone is no slouch. You'll feel the difference in speed when multitasking, especially with the added AI capabilities from Google's Gemini platform. It's all about seamless transitions and smooth swipes, keeping things efficient even with heavy use. Then, there's that camera setup. Motorola went big here with a 50-megapixel main camera that absolutely shines in low-light settings. Night photos come out detailed and sharp, so no more blurry dark blobs when the lights are low. And the 32-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies, capturing more natural skin tones and fine details without a ton of editing. Now, let's flip it over to Samsung's contender, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. While the cover screen is a bit smaller at 3.4 inches, Samsung makes it count with a vibrant, compact design that doesn't feel cramped. Samsung's focus here isn't size, but durability, and let me tell you, they've nailed it. Their new hinge mechanism feels more solid than ever, with a smooth flip that could probably outlast your morning coffee habit. This is paired with improved water resistance, so accidental splashes won't leave you panicking. On the camera front, Samsung's dual lens setup prioritizes true-to-life colors. No over-sharpening here, just clear, natural-looking photos that don't need filters to pop. And it's built with that same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so you're getting serious power whether you're gaming, streaming, or snapping pics. So, which one's the winner? If you're all about that big screen experience and love taking control with multitasking, Motorola's Razr 50 Ultra brings the bold look and feel. But if you want durability and a refined design that you can trust day in and day out, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 might be your best bet. What's your pick? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to S Nexus TV for a full review coming soon. Catch you next time.